From models of obligation and necessity, today I present to you must and mustn't. Stay here until the end of this video, because I'm gonna show you an exercise to practice about what you learned today, right? So here we go. Let's see this example to understand better. He must be in bed. The modal verb must is expressing obligation. But why? The reason is because the boy is sick and feels bad. It's important for him to stay in bed. Okay, very good. Let's take the next sample. You mustn't talk to strangers. Do you see something strange? What is it? So, must has changed as mustn't. Okay, mustn't it's the negative way of must and express prohibition or a rule. So let's look at the next example. I must pay attention to all his explanations. As you can see, must is expressing obligation in this case. Because as a good student, he must pay attention, and it's a very good attitude of him. So it is an obligation to do it, right? Let's see more examples. You mustn't play video games when I am not at home. As you can see, it's a rule that he must follow. That's why mustn't is expressing prohibition. So, we use must and mustn't to talk about obligations and rules or prohibition. Let's see these last examples, right? I must switch off my mobile phone in class. And you mustn't eat or drink in the classroom. Okay, great. Remember that must don't change when we use it with he, she, it. Look at these examples. Remember that we don't use must with questions. If you want to make a question, use the auxiliary do plus personal pronoun and then have to, as this example. Do we have to wear a swimming hat? And remember that we don't use to with must. Instead, we use only the verb in infinitive form without to. But why? Because it is a modal verb. As in this example, the verb go is in its infinitive form without to. Okay, great. Practice time. It's a moment to work out your brain literally. Okay, it's a short exercise to practice. You're gonna write the complete sentences with must or mustn't. Remember that the X means negative form of must and the tick means positive. In 10 seconds I'm gonna show you the answers, so pause the video until you have completed the exercise. Okay, very good. See you in the next video.